I must look insane right now. I have my camera hooked up to this dorky little tripod, and I have that strapped onto my handlebars. Oh my god. Okay. So, since my last video, my bike died. Like, actually just kaput. So I'm riding my mom's bike, and it is this heinous old silver street bike. So it's one of the ones where you have to be like completely bent over for all the aerodynamics. And it has lime green saddlebags on the back. Sorry, there's an obstruction. Yeah, anyways, it's like the ugliest bike in my life. It's the most embarrassing thing ever. But I have to get to work somehow. So I'm riding this freaking bike. Oh, there's a car. They're gonna think I'm crazy. Oh my god. So many birds. So many birds. Yeah. What else is new? Oh yeah, okay. So there's another car. They think I'm crazy. Anyways, in my last video, I briefly mentioned how my tap water is yellow. Well, now there is, for the area of the city that I live in, there is a boil water alert, which means you're not allowed to drink the tap water unless you boil it. Which means it's actually death water. And I work in this part of the city, so we have to bring in these huge bottles of water for all of our machines. Making coffee is like the biggest pain in the ass of my life. And we can't use our ice machine. So we have to go to the Petro can like every couple hours and buy huge bags of ice. I'm not steering very well. Yeah. Making coffee is this humongous hassle. And I can't even like brush my teeth with the water that I have. Like it's ridiculous. And then I don't know what's in the water. They haven't said what's in it. It's not like E. coli or like hepatitis or something. They just haven't said what's in it. I got about 2 hours of sleep last night because on the weekends I usually go to bed at around 4, and then on the weekends, on the weekends, I go to bed at about 4. That guy was not wearing a proper helmet. I don't get it. He's head to toe in gear, and then he doesn't freaking wear a proper helmet. What is the point, man? Your head is the most important thing that's gonna get hurt. I just took a motorcycle theory course. I did it on Thursday and Friday. So I keep hitting people with all these statistics about motorcycle riding. I'm gonna end up just getting my motorcycle license for my scooter. I'm gonna take this course, teach me how to ride a motorcycle. Maybe one day I'll get a Harley, but I'll wear a proper helmet. Anyways, yes, as I was saying, on the weekends, I go to bed at 4. And on the weekdays I get up at 4. And that's a really hard schedule to adjust to. So last night I just didn't fall asleep. I think I laid in bed for about 8.5 hours and I just couldn't sleep. So I'm going to abuse my access to caffeine today. Probably hate my life and have no patience with people, which is really bad. Oh my god. Birds are flying everywhere. They're just flying in front of me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Birds while filming my video blog, and that one kind of turned out. So maybe I'll pop that in here. I also bought a new hat, but I'll put that in a different video. That's not my usual bike ride to work, but my mom's bike is a street bike, like I said. So I can't drive it on the path. I'm sure I scared so many people this morning. I'm just like walking around talking to myself. Okay. Now I'm entering the store to try and unlock the store. Oh, don't mind that. That's just the alarm. Hey, I'm 5 minutes early. Not bad. Okay. And here's my little home away from home. Yay. Yep, here's the back. And I'm kind of out of stuff to talk about now. If you want to see all the water everywhere, there's a jug down there. I don't know if you can't see, it's too dark. I'll turn some lights on maybe. Yeah. We have these nice blue jugs everywhere. We have to dump water in here to make a pot of coffee. It's a huge hassle. How much ice do we have? None! Okay, let's go to the freezer. How much ice is in the freezer? I just realized there's security cameras in here. And if anybody was ever watching, they would think I'm crazy. Okay. So this is the freezer. And we have ice. Okay. Life is glorious. Okay, well I think this is all for my video because I actually have to start working right now. So, here's where I sign off. Have a lovely day.